Hello everybody, welcome to another video on circular measure. In today's lesson, we are going to look at how to solve questions on circular measure. Today I want to tackle very simple questions, simple and straightforward questions. So fast forward, let's look at question 1. In question number 1, you have been told that the diagram shows a circle with center O and radius R. A and B lie on the circumference of the circle, such that AOB is theta. The length of the minor arc is 12. Okay, that's from here to here is 12. The area of the minor arc is 57.6. Point C lies on the tangent to the circle at A, such that OBC is a straight line. I will always advise you to read the question carefully, because sometimes the hint of how to solve the question is buried in the question. So I always encourage students to read the question carefully before they solve. All right, so now let's look at how to find the value of r and theta. Let me make it a little bigger. Okay, I think it's okay. Okay, all right, so now let's start. So here, the first thing is that, just a moment as I get ready. Okay, this is radius, right? From center to circumference is radius. So now how can we find the value of r? Do you want to pause the video and try and solve it yourself and see whether you can do it? Now, the clue of this is that the minor, if you read the question carefully, you see that the length of the minor arc is what? 12. Let's take that one first. The length of the minor arc. The arc is called what? AB is 12. So that means r theta is 12. Okay. Can I call this one equation 1? Then they also made mention that um the area of the minor sector is 57.6. So now let's go there and see. Area of minor sector is equal to 57.6. Okay, so what is the formula for area of a minor sector? It's half r squared theta. Okay, so this one is the same as the two can multiply this. Okay, now mind you, r squared theta can be written as this. R times r, you get r squared. Okay, So r theta from equation 1. So I'm going to put equation 1 into 2. R theta is 12. Okay, so now let's just make R the subject and see what we get for R. Okay, so when you solve this with your calculator, you're going to get 9.6. So take your calculator and let's see. Confirm whether you get 9.6. Yes, I'm getting 9.6. Okay, centimeters. Remember, they said all your length are in what centimeters, and your angles are in radians. So you have found the value of R. Hence, from equation 1, right, we can say that theta is 12 over R, and R is 9.6. Okay, so if you divide this, you're going to get 1.25 radians. So we have found our angle and we have also found our radius. Clap for yourself. You are doing a very good job. I'm sure you're able to solve it on your own. Let's come to B. The area of the shaded region. Give your answer correct one decimal place. The area of the shaded region. So let's come back to the diagram. How can we find the area of the shaded region? Now, if you look carefully at this diagram, the area of the right angle triangle. I hope you know this is a right angle triangle from our concept in the previous lesson. If you have not watched that video, please watch that video before this one. It will make you understand this one better. We say that the radius meets the tangent at 90 degrees. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle. Now, the area of this right angle triangle minus the area, let me choose something very deep. Okay, minus the area of the sector should give me what? Can you see? Should give me the shaded region, the part that is left, the green part. So here basically the area of the shaded region is the area of the right angle triangle minus the area of the sector. Okay, so now let me do something quickly. Okay, let me cut and paste, put it here. Okay, very good. So now that we have our diagram here, it becomes easier for us. So we can find the area of this triangle, this right angle triangle. The angle here is 1.25. The radius, we can find the radius at this point. So the radius is 9.6. So basically you have a right angle triangle like this. This is your O, 1.25. Your base is 9.6. A, then here you have C. Okay. So you can find the area of this easily. But first of all, you have to find the height of this right angle triangle. What can we use? What trig function can we use? We can use tan. Okay, toi. That is opposite over adjacent. So our angle is 1.25. Now, the length of AC, which you don't know, over the adjacent, which is 9.6. So AC is equal to 9.6 multiplying tan 1.225. Okay, very good. So we have found this will be that's the height of your that's the same as the height of your triangle. So right now the area of triangle the triangle is going to be half base. What's your base? Half base times height. Your base is what? 9.6. And what's your height? This is your height. 9.6 tan 1.25. So when you calculate this, let's do it together and see what you get. So I'm getting 138.68. Okay. So area of that's the area of the whole thing, the triangle, the right angle triangle. Now we're coming for the area of the sector. The area of the sector. Okay. Can I clean my diagram now? Right now I don't need it. I'm trying to make good use of the space. Okay, so the area of sector of the sector. What's the name of the sector? The sector is AOB. AOB. So this is the formula for area of a sector. What's the radius? The radius is 9.6. Then you square it. What's the angle? Your angle is 1.25. Okay, let me do something here. Okay, so when you calculate for this, what are you getting? I'm getting 57.6. Okay, let me confirm again. Yeah, 57.6. So now the area, the shaded area, is going to be 138.68 minus 57.6. So when you do that, you're going to get 81.1. Corrected to one decimal, sorry, corrected to three significant figures. Don't forget that your answers must be corrected. Okay, but in this case, they say that we should correct to one decimal place. So if you correct to one decimal place, you're going to get 81.1. Okay, so don't forget to read the question carefully. Okay, so that is number one. Question two, which will be question number three on my worksheet. All right. So now this question is variant four, sorry, variant 1 2 for May June 2014. And the previous one we solved was IG 2023 variant 1 2 May June. So let's move on. So this one, don't forget, this one is 2014 May June variant 1 2. So when you finish, you can take it and solve it yourself. Now here, the diagram shows a circle. The center is O. The radius is 8. Points P and Q lie on the chord. Okay, QP is the chord. The length of the chord is 12. The angle is theta. Show that theta is 1.696. All right. Don't forget to correct your answer to three decimal places. They have told you. So sometimes they specify, so you should be careful. Don't always assume that for angles it's going to be corrected to one decimal place. It depends on whether they have not given you the um the decimal place. Okay, so in this case they are giving it to you. So here, if you are going to find the angle here, don't forget that this side is 8. Okay, that side is 8. Yeah, so basically we have a triangle. The angle here is like this. The angle here is 12. Okay, so if you want to find the angle at this side, the angle opposite the 12, we can use the cosine rule. We can use the cosine rule, and the formula is cos theta is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. So our a is 8, the b is 8 also, c is 12. Okay, so let's work on this and see what you get. Okay, so when you solve this, you are going to get negative 1 over 8. So you just find the cos inverse of both sides. So cos inverse of negative 1 over 8 is 1.696 radians. It's in radians. Okay, so we have corrected our answer to three decimal places. The perimeter, the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, so in order for me to find the perimeter of the shaded region, I know I have to move from here, then come here, like that. That's what they asked me to do. Already I know QP to be 12. So it's left with the length of the major arc QP. This one, I have to find that one. So in order for me to find this, I need to know the angle here. The angle here is going to be 2 pi minus theta. Okay, so the perimeter is given by, let's find the length of the major arc first. So major arc QP is going to be, because the major arc, you're going to, whatever angle that you get, you're just going to subtract it from 360, which happens to be 2 pi. So radius, your radius is 8. Your theta is 1.696. So when you solve this, you will get 36.7. Then let's come to the perimeter. The perimeter of the shaded region. So it's going to be 36 plus 12. Don't forget there's 12 here, okay? 37 plus 12, which should give us 48.7 centimeters. Well done. You are doing very well. Now, do you want to try how to find the area of the shaded region? I think you should try it. I'll give you the clue. The clue is that the fastest way to go is to find the area of, this is actually the major the major segment. Okay, if you look carefully, you can see it's a major segment. Why? It's bounded by an arc and a chord. Okay, arc and a chord. So this is a major segment. So pause the video for 1 minute and try it yourself. Let's see. Okay, I believe you tried it yourself. Now let's move on. I hope you tried it yourself. All right. So the area of the major segment. You remember the formula for segment is 1 over 2 r squared uh, theta. This time your theta is what? Can you find the value of our theta? The angle here. 2 pi minus, what is your theta? 1.696. So take your calculator and punch it. Let me see. I'm also working here. Let's all do it together and let's see what you get. Okay, so I'm getting 4.587. Okay, so let me come and put it here. Minus sine of the angle. Okay, before you get there, let me just write the formula first. Where, so here the alpha is the whole angle here. Okay. Are you okay? So this is going to give me 1 over 2. Our radius is what? 8, right? Is it 8? Yeah, it's 8. The angle is, you said the angle is 4.587. 4.587 minus sine of 4.587. Okay, now let's solve this and see. 0.5 times 64 into bracket 4.587. I can see my calculator is in degrees, so I have to bring it to radians. Make sure that in circular measure, your calculator is always in radians. Okay, so you're getting 178.5, which is if you correct it to three significant figure, you're going to get 179. Okay, 179 centimeter square. So yes, you see, it's not difficult. You can do it. Okay, so today I will end here. I'm solving only two simple questions today. In our next video, we are going to solve another set of questions like this. Very simple and straightforward. To keep on receiving beautiful content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends about this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.